Good morning, third graders. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday morning. Today, we are learning something brand new in arithmetic, and we only have a few new concepts to learn this year. So I'm super excited about it. Now, you guys are going to look at these problems and think, wow, I have heard Mrs. Baker go over these a lot with the fourth graders, and that's true. This is a lot of things that we work on in fourth grade. So we're just kind of getting you guys ready for next year. So today we're going to be learning how to divide with a two-digit divisor. Now if you look right here, we have 30 divided into 60, but unfortunately we don't have our 30 times tables memorized. So there's a little trick to kind of help you be able to divide this since you don't memorize your 30 times tables. So what we do is we look right here at the 30, and since when we see the 30 here, we can divide. We're dividing 30 into 60. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the 3. Now, can 3 go into 6? It can. So we're going to use that little trick right there, asking ourselves, how many times can 3 go into 6? And make sure you put a little X right here because we're actually dividing 30 into 60, but we're just using the trick right here. How many times will 3 go into 6? And so 3 will go into 6 2 times. So now we're going to multiply, but we're going to multiply sideways, all right? So watch what I do right here. And I know you guys have saw me do this with the fourth graders before. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 2 times 0. Remember how we always start in the ones place. And 2 times 0 is 0. So we're going to put that down here in the ones place. And then we're going to say 2 times 3, which is 6. Now let's subtract. 60 minus 60 is 0. So our answer is 2, and let's even check it. So we have 30 times 2, and that equals 60. So we are correct right there. Let's move on to page number 317, and this is number 1A. So again, we don't know our 40 times table, so what we're going to do is we're going to use a little trick called estimation with number 4, with the number 4 there, okay? And so then we're going to ask ourselves, how many times can 4 go into 8? And we're going to put our X right here. So 4 will go into 8 2 times. So then let's multiply sideways. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract and we get 0. So there you go. We have our answer of 2. Let's do one more together from your page there. We have 30 dividing into 90. So let's use our trick. We're going to use our 3 here and put our X here because we're going to say 3 goes into 9. How many times? 3 times. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract and we get 0. And this is the answer for number 1B. So there we go. So remember, what you're going to do is you're going to underline your number, okay? And then you're going to put an X right here, and then you're going to ask yourselves, how many times can 4 go into the first number there? Now, this is a little trick, and it takes some practice to be able to do this accurately. So take your time. Rewatch the video if you need to understand how to do this correctly, and let me know if you have any questions. Now tomorrow, if you want to look ahead, we're going to be doing this again, but a little bit of a bigger problems. Now, we're going to be doing a lot of this in fourth grade, so don't stress out if you don't get it the first time, okay? But you guys are so smart, and I am very confident that you'll be able to do this soon. So hope you guys have a great day. Let me know if you need my help with anything.